Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we're featuring this beautiful gem, this 2008 Hummer H2. Alright, this is a 6.2 liter, 393 horsepower, very powerful. These are great engines, 6-speed automatic transmission, and the announcement on this is we have good service records. This has a new Jasper engine installed at 252,000 miles. The vehicle currently has 262, and we have a receipt of the automatic transmission rebuilt at 243,000 miles. So this drivetrain has less than 20,000 miles combined between both the transmission. The engine's got about 10,000 miles on it. I have all service records to prove this repair. Anyway, let's go through it. Okay, this is a very nice clean vehicle. I'm going to start with the tires. Looks like it's got new BF Goodrich all around. Okay, here's your front passenger. Okay, the rim is in good shape. Look at the tread on the tire. If you look down the side of the vehicle, all right, it'll show there are no signs of paintwork. I believe this is a clean VIN history, no accidents reported. Very, very nice truck. As we go along the hood of the car, the hood is in excellent condition, no rock chips of any kind. These are an upgrade, the halo LEDs. They're very, very nice. Over here too as well, all the way across the bumper. You can look here, you got the driver's side tire and rim, excellent condition. If you pull along the side, you'll see, look how nice and straight it is, very clean. All right, we're gonna pull back a little bit, take a better look at the vehicle. You got the running boards here in excellent condition. Pull back a little bit more. Here's your driver's side rear tire and rim. Look at the tire, it's a brand new BF Goodrich, excellent condition. These tires are not cheap. I don't even know what size they are, but they're not cheap tires. We look along the side of the vehicle, look at the side, you see how straight it is. Here's the back of the vehicle. Tail lights are in good shape all the way across. Tire carrier, rear tail light, passenger side. We're going to open this. Well, let's just go to the last tire and rim. Here's your passenger rear tire and rim. All right, excellent condition. Let's look at the side view from the rear passenger side. You see, look how straight it is. Let's open up this tire carrier at this time, and let's get into the tailgate. No squeaks. Opens up perfectly. Let's open up the tailgate. You see here are the seats. These fold down right here. Okay, so this will make these seats actually come up. These fold down here. So everything is functioning. Let's get this one. These seats were down, but I lifted them up. So you can't do it with two hands. It's kind of, with one hand it's kind of tough. But these seats do go down. They were down and I put them. But anyway, yeah, it's a little tough to do right now. But let's go to the inside. Let's shut this. Okay. Here's the side of the vehicle. Let's pull back a little bit. Take a better look. A running board. Very, very nice, clean truck. At this time, I'm going to demonstrate the door locks. Okay, doors are locked. I'm going to unlock. Just had this going. There we go. I'm going to unlock here. Okay, so now we know that the key fob is working. Unlocking the doors. Here's your passenger view of the front seats. Definitely nice interior. I've never seen a Hummer with this color interior. Very nice. Dash is in very good shape. Here's your passenger front door panel. Here's your rear view of the seats, passenger side. It does have the earphones, and it does have the remote which is here for your DVD player, which is right here, okay? And then there's your controls and stuff right there. So these are functioning. I'm gonna put these back right here. Let's go to the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lock it. They're locked. I'm gonna unlock. So now we know both sides are working. Here's your driver's side door panel rear. Here's your driver's side view of the rear seat. Here's the back of the seats. Headliner is clean. This vehicle has been detailed. Came in pretty clean, but we spiced it up. It does have the original floor mats all around, which is a pretty hardcore, if you guys know the Hummers. Here's your driver's side front door panel. Front mat. Passenger front mat. Seats in excellent condition, okay, as you can see. Beautiful color. Again, I've not seen one with this color combination. So this is, to me, a rare breed, especially with the engine and transmission done. Here's your middle console. Here's your dash up in here, okay. Steering wheel. Now at this point, we're going to get in the car, we're going to start it up, and we're going to try all the functions of this vehicle. So let's give it a quick crank. Vehicle starts up right away. There are no warning lights of any kind. Okay, radio is working. Okay, AC is already coming out cold. 4x4 works. I've already tried it. I will confirm that, and I will stand by my word. Here's your driver's side front window, driver's side rear, passenger side front, passenger side rear. Okay, everything's working. Sunroof. All the way, and it is opening and closing all the way. Very, very nice truck. Okay, directionals, left directional, right directional. I got a little smudge on my camera. Here we go, clean it up. All right, so here is your driver's side mirror. Here's your passenger side mirror. Okay, horn. AC we said is blowing. Let's check the door locks from the inside. We're locking them, unlocking them, locking them, unlocking them. So everything is functioning. Radio works. AC's working. Backup camera. It's a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. If you're looking for a nice Hummer, this is the vehicle. This is a beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Let's rev it up and check out the sound of the engine. Take it to about 3,000 RPMs. Let's go underneath the hood. This one's maybe a little tough with one hand, but we're gonna try it. Got one latch undone. Got the other latch undone. Let's pull it open. Here is your engine bay. Engine sounds great. No funky noises, no corrosion of any kind in this engine bay. Very, very nice. Let's latch them. Let's shut it. Let's do the other one. Very nice. Everything's latched in. These are pretty nice additions too. Okay, once again, we got a 2008 Hummer H2. Give us a call, 201-440-1323. If you want to view specific pics of this vehicle and this video, you can view them right there at www.carconnectiononline.com. When you get to our site, click the vehicle of your choice, which it should be this one. When you click the pic, you're going to have all specifics of this vehicle, which you'll have 4 tabs. You'll have a tab for video, which are videos like this that we provide on all our vehicles. You'll have a tab for photos, which will give you more detailed photos and more photos that you may not see on some of the other car sites. Then you'll have a tab for auto check, which gives you a free VIN check. And the last tab you'll have is the tab that says apply for loan, which allows you to apply for a loan on any one of our vehicles. If you have any questions regarding our finance options, call us at 201-440-1323. And last but not least, we offer warranties on all our vehicles, including our motorcycles. Everyone stay safe, and thanks for viewing this video.